In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Disney Bundle ESPN not working. So let's get started. Now we're gonna look at various fixes so you can go ahead and try all of them out and hopefully one of them works out. The first one is internet connectivity issues. So internet connectivity issues. So ensure your internet is working properly. Try loading other websites to confirm. Let's say it's not, then you could just go ahead and restart your router or modem because this can often resolve connectivity problems. The next issue that could be is app or device issue. App or device issue. So make sure you have the latest version of the ESPN app installed on your device. And then you could also go ahead and try restarting because this can often resolve the temporary glitches that might be occurring. And then also try clearing the cache because this can sometimes resolve app specific issues. The next possible thing that could be wrong is account issues. So a problem with your account. Account issues. So ensure that your Disney Bundle subscription is active and includes ESPN Plus. And then verify that there are no issues with your payment method. And let's say you're still having troubles after checking all of that out, then reach out to Disney's customer support for further assistance. Then we have device compatibility. Device compatibility. So ensure that your device, for example, a smart TV or any streaming device, is compatible with the Disney Bundle and ESPN Plus. Also make sure that your device's software is up to date to prevent any compatibility issues. Then lastly, we have regional restrictions. Regional restrictions. So some content on ESPN Plus may have regional restrictions, so ensure you're accessing the content from a supported region. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.